welcome to Soccer 360. Again, I'm your host Ubongani Gamasilela. Of course, today I'm having Coach Tulani Ubomba Giane, and of course Sis Zanele Zanele Gamasango Upondolibo Gamasango Mdwana. Another female in football, endaweni zaKwaNdebele kwaMhlanga to be specific. Of course, the question that we have to be looking at is the question that we saw on a video when people were in Mexico, Nkululeko and PhD at Orlando Pirates supporter. There was a debate, and this debate has been ongoing over the years in South Africa to say who is actually the biggest in South African football, who is the biggest in South African soccer. Zinengi ndaba
so itimu ukuzibe enkulu funeka ibe nabalandeli abaninzi
okay
how about
eyona team enabalandeli so xa sithi team eyona successful then South eyona team win the cups.
Okay, all right,
it's simple.
Mr. Nkululeko,
for a family to be a big family,
Orlando
it has lots of people.
Registered supporters than
we are not even registered. Don't talk about that one.
You are fighting.
But you're not even registered.
You are not looking for sense. You want to fight. No. Let's deal with this matter. Let's start it, guys. Do you know?
Sit down.
Orlando Pirates has got more registered fans than any team in PSL.
Now, here's the thing.
Do you know?
No, wait. I'm not disputing that. That is a different definition. That is a different.
You see, no, fighting emotions.
Sagina,
you have got
Sagina. Just hold on. So even
registered as a team like
wait. Hold on. PhD.
When you support a club,
PhD.
you become a card carrying.
Yes.
member.
Okay.
Card carrying members.
PhD. Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Sagina.
No, yes. Thanks, Mama Sakina. Thank you.
PhD.
It's true. Okay, so we don't have to.
No. So here's what I'm trying to say. Mamela, just wait.
Yes.
It's
only team that can sell out.
I'm not
That's
using
a
anything. It's fine. I
definition
can also
again.
say many things about
Yes,
The
Mama.
only team that sells a T-shirt in one day is Orlando Pirates. I can
Yeah.
Because they make 20 copies of shirts.
Abanye, they would speak about the Sundowns, which went on for 8 years without a row. Others will speak of Kaizer Chiefs having so many, about 55 official trophies and other trophies, and they would speak of Orlando Pirates having about 58 trophies. They would speak of Orlando Pirates in 1995.
You are making me change things now.
Okay, which one is the best? If you said Pirates is greater than Chiefs.
I understand very well, guys. It is because like this. Pirates is the kings of South Africa. We all know that. But now they are counting from 1970.
Can we use these two words, best and great? Stop this thing of kings.
Yeah, and sometimes understand.
Like this is a chief.
So the one league after that from 1970, but Pirates are the kings. Pirates the team for everyone.
Chief
can see. Ask of parents, ask of
give us the best.
Like what makes Pirates the best? What makes Pirates the best? Continue playing.
Pirates the best team, my brother. They had more trophies than any team in South Africa. Then they came from 1970 when they won the Sundowns Chiefs. They've been fun. Chiefs from Pirates. It's the same team.
Sundowns and
Others will speak of Kaizer Chiefs, Operation Fat Alice, Operation Teka Hinkwaso in 1984. So
Yes.
No.
Orlando Pirates has got more.
Calm down, PhD. We are fed up of your lies.
No, hold on. I can give you on definitions because I don't have the database.
Yes,
On definitions,
yes.
I can give you the registered because I'm not looking at the database. You could say
I'm not arguing that.
Listen.
Wait, hold on.
Listen,
I'm saying,
PhD.
If you are defining it as registered and you have the numbers, that's fine. You can be with the most registrations. And Chiefs could have 0 registration.
Yes.
But factually,
Which
Chiefs
fact?
has the most
fact?
number of human beings who follow
Which
it.
fact?
Kaizer Chiefs is the most.
No, we must.
You could
Wait, can I check? Yeah, it's what?
You could choose to see it in different.
No, I'm not
Yes.
You could choose to see it in different parameters. We could go to.
do you understand when we say who is the biggest? What do we measure? Who is the biggest? What actually are we looking at? Sibheka ini.
ama-supporters, ama-trophy, sponsors, team enama-sponsors amaningi, nama-trophy amaningi, nama-supporters amaningi. Siyayazi sonke musa.
I'll find that guy. The thing with him, okay, let me talk about the 5. Let me attend guys, really, 3-2.
Yeah.
Okay, we put too much about that guy.
Okay, let's use your reasoning. Let's use your reasoning. Which means you'd agree with me if I say Real Madrid is the best team because of UEFA titles.
We might
Talk fast.
No, but I want to respond.
Yeah.
I'm going to respond.
You are thinking.
No, I'm not thinking. I want to respond so that I'm trying to find a way to.
Okay, find it.
Okay. Madrid is the best team based on what? Or according to their victories.
I didn't say Madrid is the best team. I said Madrid is the greatest team.
You're right, the greatest so far.
So in South Africa, which one is the greatest, the biggest?
Pirates, we can't argue.
So do you agree? Social media, which I don't like to do, but
Yes.
we could choose different definitions.
If you can go to social media.
Because unfortunately we cannot count people.
No, I'm not. Let's say now, me and you,
Sure.
we are not being conclusive. That's where we should start. No, we must never be
It's
conclusive.
very clever. What
Big team. Kaizer Chiefs.
Wangena kiyo straight angazi ke ngikuzwile also
Angithome ngokutsho so. Ngiyavumelana no Sisizanele kodwana ngendlela ibhola ngakhona namhlanje ama team womathathu mangibala isichema sePirates ngibala isichema seChiefs seSundowns zinkulu ngendlela ezihlukileko qala musi mangathi asithome ngesichema seOrlando Pirates isichema sePirates sithumbe unomborwana ngaphandle ngonyaka 1995 lokho kwenze bona isitshaba namkhabalandeli basithande khulu isichema seOrlando Pirates angisakhulumi ngegeneration yanamhlanje yenza kuhle khulu kwamambala qala musi Kaizer Chiefs naso sikhonile ukuthumba bonomborwana kade thina namhlanje sibayazi namhlanje bayibekile history ngatsho njalo ngithi bane history ehle kanti Sundowns yenza kule generation namhlanje idlala emazingeni aphezulu idlala ama World Cup ya participate kuma CAF yathumba uyabona isibeke ebujameni obuhle isilethela amehlo ngeSouth Africa.
I was screaming. They want to pass away 2 years ago. Abala, your defense is very weak. You see, I'm telling you. Okay, you understand? They won those cups, but from Pirates, same guys.
Simple thing. Here's a simple thing, bro.
Yeah.
The team that was best in the past, it can be the greatest, but it can't be the best currently. You can't say now. I'm not done. Listen and play. Baby. Chief, you can't say Pirates now is the best team compared to Mamelodi Sundowns because you just won the league now. You can think based on one season.
The first team to win.
You are delusional.
Okay, the first team to win Cup in South Africa. What you are?
It doesn't matter.
The team of the country.
It doesn't matter. How many times it
Okay, you say what?
How many times?
It's not.
You see, when we talk about the best, how many times?
By the performance.
Yeah?
You say what is the greatest team, but it's the same.
It's the same. Based on what?
Ngathi ukuthi izisukuthi zokukhulu babo.
No. Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs.
I know him very well.
Kaizer Chiefs is the best.
You are not giving.
It's the biggest football club in South Africa.
You are not giving me.
Simple and straightforward. Now then, if you want to counter that,
no, let me. You are using imaginary.
No,
It's not imagination, it's a fact. Hey, don't get it wrong. Don't get it twisted.
Give me time to speak. Even when Jessica, at some point, she went up there and she said Kaizer Chiefs is the one that is selling more t-shirts.
Now we need definitions.
When we understand.
We're talking.
I'm not saying you're wrong.
It's definitions again. It's definitions. Number of t-shirts. I can give you that if you have the stats.
You know.
But the number of human beings that follow.
But don't.
Kaizer Chiefs, you win PSL 4 times, Googlandelana, Nedbank 13 times, MTN 8, 15 times. The only thing enganayo is Stark Pearl. Kaizer Chiefs.
They're the first team to win this thing.
But you didn't ask me why I said Madrid is the greatest team.
But you can see, they won this thing how many times?
So
are you saying to me, and any of you can answer this question. Any of you can answer this question. Are you saying to me, is Sundowns having 2 stars, one AFCON, not AFCON, rather, one Champions League go 2016, and coming back to win Champions League go 2026? Are you saying to me, and the Sundowns having won league for 8 times in a row in the PSL era, since 1996? Are you saying that are we not unfair to say Sundowns should actually be known as the biggest club in South Africa, regardless of the number of supporters?
You know this thing how easily it could be solved.
Yes,
man.
yes.
It could be solved if you understand that your opinion is not the good. No. Hear me right.
Sounds Kaizer Chiefs isandlula Sundowns ngama-trophy, even though bawinile i-league bayiwina ngokulandelana.
1.5 billion is being paid by SuperSport to broadcast the matches of PSL.
Yes.
If you took out Kaizer Chiefs, it would not be worth more than 300 million.
Yeah, even if you took Pirates,
of course, I will never disrespect them.
But if
But Chiefs inama-trophy adlula we-Sundowns.
Yes.
that one will never.
No, we can quantify.
That's why the biggest.
Kaizer Chiefs, even Swaziland inama-supporters nje across the country. Nama supporters.
Yes.
Check Kaizer Chiefs yawina intengo iyehla.
Intengo. Oh, so Kaizer Chiefs zinawina kwama prices kuma nama sale.
Asingawina. Ngathanda bekuyi Chiefs abo uzobona. Bozobona ukuthi no Chiefs le ikulu. I Chiefs ikhanda.
Yeah. Ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs le othi wena ikulu. It's not even in the Bafana. Ukuthi Sundowns iwine ama PSL titles 8 in a row, according to Usizanele, which in no way. Still Kaizer Chiefs, they are the biggest in the country.
Mina ephuzwini lelo laka Sezanele yazi mina ngithini Masilela. Ucoach uHugo Bros ngimbeka isandla, ngiyamblame. Yazi kuba yini ngimblame Hugo Bros?
Yes.
uHugo Bros into ekosa ukuthi angayilibali ukuthi le yi national team number 1 i national team and ngibona ngathi isafa imvumele khulu qala issue yakho neLodge asithome lapho issue yakhe neLodge uLodge azaze akhuluma amagama lawo uLodge azaze akhuluma amagama lawo ukuthi wena usungibabama ukuthi uqale indaba ezingamfuni njenge national team njenge coach lesithaba engamfuni indaba la yimfuni. That is why uLodge singamboni esquadini and office bekafuneka uLodge iqiniso ufuna silikhulume uLodge bekafuneka kule squad sanamhlanje esikhona mara ngama issues qala wanaka ini wangenela indaba kaMbokazi akufike late wakhuluma amagama uHugo Brosman umuntu wezinengi wakhuluma futhi wabuya wathi Kaizer Chiefs abadlali bakhona kuyafana noba bangadlala neSundowns or nePirates bayokudliwa. Ukhuluma kanjani njenge coach national team kanjani? Angeke bahlala abalandeli vele bayingayilandi bangasilandeli isithema sebafana bafana bazokuba namagama because of ucoach. Ngiyamblame ngimbeka isandla wena Mr Masilela. Ngimbeka isandla ucoach. Uyayibona wenzani? Uyatharaganisa, uyasdivide.
Manje isiletha la whereby we are saying sekuyabangwa ukuthi actually yipi team ekhulu because ubone iKaizer Chiefs isupporta iMexico, ubone iKaizer Chiefs isupporta iCzech Republic, and apparently Kaizer Chiefs yokusupport iSouth Korea in the coming week in sizwileko. So Usizanele uthi if I can walk anywhere in the world I can find a Kaizer Chiefs supporter, and uthi namhlanje nasiqeda ishow le we must understand ukuthi actually Kaizer Chiefs is actually the biggest team in South Africa.
Masilela injalo iqiniso ufuna singalibalekeli iKaizer Chiefs i-team ekhulukhulu ine brand inabantu abanengikhulu I'm sorry ukufaka ipolitiki ifana ne-ANC ngatsho njalo ifana ne-ANC iKaizer Chiefs. Hugo Bros ngokuya ngamani bekostele man abalansisile man nokho aqaphune mhlambe bathathunyana banenyana so khona ngoba ekugcineni nanoma singeke simthumbu unomborwana mara ukuba motivated nokuthi abafana abancane abanjengabo Mfukeng bakhona ukuzithengisa nabo, at least bana motivated behind ama supporter nathi siba support, at least kungaba something. Manje uko bros ngama issues wakhe usiletha down, that is why kwenzakala so namhlanje ubona kwenzakala so. Mawuthi yaqala la inkundleni zokuxhumana abantu bagqoka ama South Korea, benze ama South Korea ama t-shirt ama South Korea, and ayisindwe emnandi leyo nabo ama player nawabona kunjalo iyabalimaza. Kala musinasibele emuva egameni yokuthoma, kala ama criticism wegame yokuthoma uko bros ukuthi bamcriticize kangakanani, kwaze kwahlala phansi ku press conference uRowan William wakhuluma ngokuthi ama criticism avela esithabeni ngapha ngeSouth Africa nama player ama legend. Akusimnandi man, akusimnandi, but mina ngiblame uko bros ngisajamile la.
Do you think ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs must accept ukuthi they are not on top of their game right now? The people who are on top of their game is actually Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates. Don't you think ukuthi eSouth Africa kubonakala ngasuthi kunomntwana omncancane osola tefiswako all the time ukuthi mina nangingekho okwenzeki lokhu, mina nangingekho okwenzeki lokhu, just ukwenza ama supporters weKaizer Chiefs happy, or to try ukuthi senze abantu whoever the owners of the Kaizer Chiefs happy? Don't you think it should stop, and Kaizer Chiefs must just accept ukuthi at this particular point in time they are not, now in 2026 they are not the best team in South Africa, and they must just accept? Don't you think ukuthi yatefiswa Kaizer Chiefs? Yes, they were big in 1994, they were big in 2002, but right now they need to understand probably ukuthi Sundowns nomi Pirates, they are the kings of the castle. Don't you think that's how we must treat this South African football, Sis Zanel?
Yeah, iKaizer Chiefs iyatefiswa vele, and itefiswa ngithi ama supporter, cause Kaizer Chiefs iyadliwa sise stadium, iyadraw sise yonke into abayenzako fully packed. Nasingahlala singayi stadium ke badlali babodwa bazokubona ukuthi into esiyenza kwayikho musa. Maye ngoba thina Chiefs idliwe iwinile kuyafana kithi, sihlezi sijabulile, asisenandaba enhleke, yabo. So if ama supporter angathatha i-decision ukuthi iChiefs mayidlala asiye stadium siyibukele TV, bazokwenza, I think bazokwenza ngcono, bazobona ukubaluleka kwe-team, cause nje ukubaluleka kwe-team angiboni bakubona ngoba everything abayenzako hlezi kunama supporter, baye Durban bayagupha ama supporter ahlezi akhona stadium fully packed.
iChiefs team enkulu man, asivumeni. Mina ngokwami nanana idliwa, ngicabanga ukuthi abalandeli beKaizer Chiefs banethemba lokuthi ngelinye ilanga isichema sabo sizokwenza kuhle. Why ngikho njalo? Because bataliphela umoya ikhosi, and vele aliphela umoya. Kala badana kangangani isichema sabo nasidliwako, mara bayoloko bahlezi bakhona stadium, bayoloko basupporta ibrand yoloko ikhule njalo yeChiefs. Nanyana singenzi kuhle, mara asithi isichema seKaizer Chiefs singenzi kuhle, nathi siyafuna ukuthi ama team lawo amathathu enze kuhle ku-Africa nala ku-domestic. Uyayibona? All in all, Mr. Maslela, iKaizer Chiefs is a big brand, i-team enkulu, i-motivated, ihlala motivated ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ngaloba 5-0 kusasa uyobathola abalandeli beChiefs bajame nayo njengoba injalo. Inesekelo elihle khulu kwamambala iKaizer Chiefs, ngatsho njalo.
So ikulu ngabalandeli, ayisese ikulu ngebhola, ikulu ngabalandeli. Is that what we are saying? Is that what we are saying? Kusho ikulu ngabalandeli.
Yabona okay ungizwe ngithi mina it's a big brand iKaizer Chiefs. Nangabalandeli mara ke masiyande ebholweni izinto zijukulukile, uqiniso ufuna ukukhuluma, izinto zijukulukile. Sundowns yenza kuhle khulu kwamambala, Orlando Pirates yenza khulu kwamambala. Mina ngiyafisa ukuthi as much as i-big brand and iba motivated ngaso sonke isikhathi, ngiyafuna na iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi iyenze kuhle.
Who is the biggest team in South African football? Let's not look at in the South African football. Then even 19 again. If that's the case.
Ngikayiphendula iphendula.
Yeah.
Mamelodi iSundowns ikulu as we speak. Currently Sundowns ikulu ngebhola, let's football. iSundowns ikulu. Ngibuza ukuthi ngitsho ngani. Ngitsho ngoba Sundowns kusichema sokthoma sicala musisi qualify for World Cup enyakeni ogadungileko sazibonakalisa umhlaba wonke uyazi ukuthi kunemamiliyoni Sundowns qala musibathumba iCAF qala bokudlala iSuper Cup bodlala iIntercontinental Cup ba qualifyile vier ku World Cup.
Yeah.
So yenza ukuthi Sundowns all in all. Yenza ukuthi Sundowns all in all. Singayithatheli man next. iSundowns yenza kuhle. Team enkulu. Currently ngebhola iSundowns ikhamba phambili yes leader Maslen. Yes leader. iSundowns. Nasikhuluma ibhola.
South African ama supporters all across. Ama supporter we Kaizer Chiefs akhona America akhona Mexico akhona everywhere. Is ama supporter we Sundowns akhona Pretoria akhona everywhere. Niyezwa but Sundowns is the biggest team in South Africa according to uBomba Giyane. Dadethu Zanele ungasivalela on that issue?
Mina ngisajamile Kaizer Chiefs is the biggest team. Ngisajamile lapha ngibuyele emuva.
Sizanele kunjani? Akikwaleki lokukhuluma ko leyo iqiniso ama trophy asikafiki angeke sikwenze network currently number 1 isichema seKaizer Chiefs why ngithi mina ngifuna senze kuhle ngifuna sibe neimpact nakubafana abafana ngoba ukwenza kuhle kwenqhema lezi zi3 Sundowns Pirates Chiefs then kuyotsho khona ukuthi angeke basinyakazise kusho ukuthi sinamandla yabo current Chiefs ngiba ukuthi iyenze kuhle ebholweni konga abaphathi namkha ama scouter we Chiefs angawuscouter abadlali mhlambe abangacompete qala musi Kaizer Chiefs besazi ukuthi abo goalkeeper ngeke uyenze next abo Kaizer Chiefs striker iKaizer Chiefs besizwa ngayo qala namhlanje kwenze njani so mina ngiyabawa ukuthi kwanga imanagement eKaizer Chiefs ingenza ngcono man funeka abadlali abazocompete nabo Sundowns nabo Pirates benze kuhle umbango ube mkhulu iligi ngapheli before umbango ube mkhulu nase Africa sithingeni kuma semifinal sonke uyayibona
yeah yazi masiye isquadini kwenzakaleni esquadini favoritism favoritism iChiefs ucoach wethu bebafana akayithandi bakhona bovilakazi bayadlala njengabomfukeni wayangabathathi wayangabathatha bomfukeni Peterson bakhona wayangabathathi favoritism yabona nazise squadini yeah favoritism inengi
yeah
ithi ngithi okwanje I'm not sure ukuthi uzosenzela kuhle
Mr Maslela engicabanga ukuthi isizini le esizoyithoma iKaizer Chiefs ngicabanga ukuthi izokudosa nzima kuba yini ngithi izokudosa nzima ucoach nayo uyokufuna ukwenza sakhe ischeme qala musilaba nabe bathi bayakha nalo uyokufika akhe kunabadlali bafana nabo Fabian lo mfana kaMakhathi ukhambile bese simjwayele lapha ku Central nte akhe Vier lapha nte abe ne front 3 yakhe nte ne midfield 3 yakhe and kuyomthatha isikhathi lo iprison angeke ibe enough ngoba mhlawumbe uzokufuna nabanye abadlali njengoba eza uyabona ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs yoloko recycle ekugcineni that is why ingeke ikhiphe lento labalandeli abayifunako ngani ngoba bo coach baloko baya recycle baloko no bazokustruggle next season Mr Masle
Thokoze lapha nyana uBomba kaGiyane umntwana and noSizanele Soccer 360. I'm your host Bongani kaMasilela and keep on keeping on until that day. See you next time. Sharp. Siyathokoza.
Thokoze.